for your this thing, just a one liner, just to wrap up. What would be like, what do you suggest or what do you recommend, because you are representing industries from Gujarat, and also a very good function of IT. So my question to you would be in a single liner. What are the things that you want to start with, and where do you start with? Are there any things that you want to recommend to all the participants? Obviously, NASSCOM is there as part of it, which is going to build the bridge. But what are your thoughts around it?
See, one wonderful thing has happened despite, let's say, a bad year called COVID. COVID has done for digitization what no other CTO could possibly do. So that digitization, the need of digitization has been clearly established. So we had workforces which were compulsorily needed in offices, in factories, and everywhere. And we have now evolved methods, even if there are jugaad methods, for these workforces to work from home or work from anywhere. That is the new buzzword. I think this will definitely ensure that a lot of IoT implementations will actually happen to support or to enable this process, whether it is education, whether it is government, whether it is industry, and whether it is consumer. Consumer was already using it, but compulsorily he became more addicted to it. I think we have digitization coming in at all levels. What we need is, if we want this to prosper, what we need is industry talking to IT professionals or IT companies or new startups and talking about their problem statement, making them aware on how they are doing their processes. Maybe they make 2 trials, they make 3 trials, but sooner rather than later, they will come up with solutions that will fit their bill. See, trying to pick up a ready-made large solution and trying to fit it into an SME is not a viable option. So possibly we will require innovative people. People are smart, but then as an industry, we will require to make sure that we are able to expose our industry to them. So possibly if CTOs here in larger companies could set up internship programs wherein these guys are brought into their companies and they experience the company and they develop some applications in their internship program within the industry around IoT, and then possibly come out and start their startups or go and work with companies with better experiences and build those solutions for them. Well, it will have to be a hands-on solution building approach. Like today, we may have a lot of custom-built softwares available, but if you look at early 2000, most of the companies were wanting small software applications to be built which are specific to their businesses and processes. I think we need to go back to that.
Absolutely. I completely agree with you. What you just rightly talked about, where you need to start together and you want to build it. In fact, for that particular matter, NASSCOM has a great challenge. We have so many people that were there. They can be the conduit and the connection where they can bring the challenges and like what you just rightly said, trying to force fit a solution from outside, which is big, very huge, may not be really relevant from a cost point of view. Definitely. And my thing that I want to just say, and everybody chime in, please, ask, how does it matter? You can just ask. If you need to know about it, you don't know about it, doesn't matter, right? So Tata Sky's policy, puchne mein kya jata hai. So if that is something that we can follow from end organization's point of view, and also openness of this end organizations to allow, like what you just said, some of these startups to come in and start working with them, and also drive small pilots to start with, I think we have a win-win from all sides. So maybe a last comments from everyone.